of holy. To be set apart. That's the very meaning of the word church, ecclesia, which means set apart. So you cannot go by the standards of the world anymore. The world will say it's okay to lie, it's okay to steal. The world will say it's okay to smoke, it's okay to drink alcohol. But we don't go by that. We are set apart. That is holiness. Holiness is not wearing a very, external way of white and white clothes or external. It's not about that. It's about the heart. Our heart, it's no more going to be directed by the worldliness. So, beloved, this morning, God is asking you to reflect. Are you living a holy life? Or are you just going by the standards of the world? The power of God is in a holy life. The more you live as Christ wants you to be, you will see how powerful your life will be. ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತನನ್ನು ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸಿ ಅನುಸರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಾದರೆ ಆತನ ಪ್ರಬಲವಾದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಾವು ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.